think these I'll use for like cleaning supplies. More plants, so I thought I'd show you as I get them. I went to my local bodega plant stand and I just picked up 3 new pothos from the ones that unfortunately, some of them lived from when I was gone and a few died. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. I wanted to make this first part of like home vlog renos, more of like a vlog style of just like kind of the bits and pieces that I'm starting to put together. So that's what we're gonna do. I have filmed a few of the things that I've already done, but right now I am doing all my laundry because I feel like I need to make everything clean before we can really like start working on stuff. So I'm gonna go take my laundry. I'm gonna pick up some like plants and flowers and maybe stop at a hardware store on my way back. And we're gonna start working on my home decorating. So I'm very excited. Gonna bring you guys along and I'm gonna leave. Stopped by a little nice stand near where I get my packages sent and I grabbed this. I believe it's a Chinese palm. It was $60, which I feel like was a pretty good deal. This guy's a big plant, looks very healthy. I'm gonna put it in my living room. I've been trying to fight my own anxiety by doing things that usually like used to really stress me out. So like carrying a ton of stuff in my hands, I would always get really anxious about. So I've been exposure therapying myself by, you know, getting the plant that was a 25-minute walk away, carrying it home, and I made it. And I always feel like I'm strong and I can do things, which is a me thing. I don't know why I'm afraid of doing these weird tasks, but yeah. So we got her, good step. I got some flowers just to brighten up the place. I'm putting on a new set, which is very exciting. This video is in partnership with Brooklinen. Very excited to put these babies on. I've been waiting to put them on until I had this chance. So if you haven't heard of Brooklinen, they are a direct-to-consumer bedding company. They make really, really nice quality sheets. And since they're direct to you, they can cut out the middleman, which helps them lower their prices and make them more affordable. I'm really excited. I have their Luxe bundle set, so they have over 20 colors that you can like mix and match everything, which I think is really fun, cool, and they also give you a discount for doing the bundle all together as well. Their whole philosophy is around just making nice basics to have in your home. I am a huge sheet lover because I spend a lot of time sleeping, guys, and this is one of the recent discovery is that having your bed set up for good sleep, good rest, making it really comfy, really nice, is so important. I'm really excited to put these on because I've heard just really good things about Brooklinen in general. They have bunches of reviews on their website as well. And I went with white because white and cream and striped pillows because that seemed cute. And they're Oeko-Tex certified, which is super important to me. That's basically a standard that makes sure that there aren't chemical processes that are harmful for you or for the environment throughout there on their fabrics. So that is very important, especially when you're sleeping in sheets. Super excited. I can't wait to try these out, and we're gonna put some new sheets on. If you guys want to check them out, you can get $20 off any purchase over $100 with my code where I live. I'm so excited. Okay, let's put these on. On them. I really like these little stripy pillows, and this cover you can kind of see like how silky and luxe it looks, which I'm a big fan of. I think the white also really opens up my room having it all white.
Thoughts of the days.
Okay, I've been sleeping on this 2 nights now, just for a little update, and it's so silky and soft and clean feeling. Oh, it's really, really nice.
I used to want you. I used to need you.
I don't know if this looks funky, but I got a lot of walking to do, so we're wearing this Mara Hoffman jumpsuit that I got at one of her sample sales a long time ago, and I haven't worn it at a... Guys, get 2 outfits for the price of 1. I changed because I felt like being comfier, so
She held out her hand, gave me a pocket full of leaves, then ran, started a car. Her face was all red and lazy.
Is she angry?
Well, me, I was just there, my teacup in hand, all hazy. And she sped off in a hot pink Jeep down 3 miles.
sell us something.
Girls, ladies, and gents.
Oh, look at this mirror. Oh, that's a good zoom. We're at Coming Soon, New York, and I'm coming.
How am I far too cold for me?
Okay, I just got home. This isn't even related to redecorating my house, but I thought I'd add in my grocery haul. When I haven't been to a Trader Joe's in like a year probably somehow. I used to like, that was my go-to. Now I'm stocked up and I had no food in my fridge, so I'm gonna put some groceries away. I think this does equate to redecorating your house because you stocking up on groceries. Nothing I'm saying is making sense. Dairy-free cheddar slices. Never tried any of these. Like I said, they had a bunch of new vegan stuff because it's been a minute since I have been there. I'm like, I got some fun stuff and it's just all mushrooms. These gluten-free pretzel twists are the shit. They taste just like they probably are exactly the same as the Glutino ones. This was interesting. Turkey-less protein patty? This is either gonna be really good or just like awful. Maybe it'll be good. Do you guys want me to do a T-Joe's taste test? Let me know in the comments below. I have the other half of my sandwich. Orchard Grocer. If you're vegan in the city, you gotta hit this up. Oh, this is their Monty. It like hits like it's like a cold cut sandwich. If you were once a meat eater and now you don't eat meat, like sometimes you just miss that cold cut sandwich, and like not a lot compares, and theirs is so good. Another day, another apartment update. Currently Labor Day, I'm gonna go to Dreamin, which is the place I always talk about. It is a secondhand furniture store. They always have really fun stuff to look at. I'm on the hunt for a big hutch. I just like need to keep checking all these places to see if one pops up. Hopefully soon, because I'd love to get organized. And I'm also looking for a pot to put this in, because if I leave it this way, I will literally just never find a pot for it, and I'm trying to not be that person anymore.
How you far too cold for me.
Whenever I'm looking for furniture secondhand, if I'm looking for it, I can't find it, but every time I don't need furniture, I always find it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Good morning, everyone. We are gonna make a shelf. I put my overalls on for this occasion. It's very important to me that I'm in character. I'm gonna FaceTime my friend Cody, who is really great with home decor and handy things, so I'm gonna ask him for some advice. I think I'm gonna have to, well, I know I'm gonna have to put some anchors in my wall, which I did once in my last apartment, but Ty and I did it together, so I haven't done it solo before. I'm a little nervous, but I also just keep putting this off because it makes me a little nervous. But I think we're gonna do it because I am handy. I actually am pretty handy, but all right, let's do this. Okay, we're gonna see if he answers. Oh.
Hang on one second.
What do you want to say?
Hi guys, you just want to drop a like below for Jenny, or anything that you like that you want to see more of her, hit the subscribe button and give it a like.
Oh, queen. Okay.
What's up, dude?
Hi. Okay. Will you help me? Oh, I needed short screws, so I just went to a hardware store. Oh my god. No, it's fine. For me, it's gonna be measuring, because I like to just throw things up and hope they're the right size, but I need to center this, so we're gonna put some work in right now. Okay, so I measured it twice. Came out to be 201 centimeters. I then measured the shelf, which is 121 centimeters, and then I minus 201 minus 121, which gives me the leftover of 79, and then divide that in half, since I want it to be, I want to know the distance between where the end of the shelf should start and the sconces, so therefore 39.5 is my answer. So I'm gonna measure 39.5 to where the edge of this should be from the sconce, and that should get me directly in the center. But I know this isn't going well.
Not ready for bright blue highs, crazy as the sky, palm string paradise. So just take
Guys, okay, use the tripod to help me, but okay. On camera it looks uneven, but in real life it looks pretty even to me. I'm gonna vacuum and put my bed back and see what happened. Okay, it's hard on camera. I think it's straight, and also I think it looks okay. I gotta figure out what to put on it, and I think I'm gonna put art above it, so maybe it looks better. Okay, well, that was fun. I'm glad I did it, to know I could do it, but I'm gonna end this vlog here and try to figure something out. You will all see the end results when I do my home makeover video. That's gonna be like a full vid, not so vloggy. I think it's gonna work out. It's gonna be okay. If you wanna check out Brooklinen, you can use my code where I live to get $20 off your first order of $100 or more. With that being said, I'll let you go and I'll see you in the next one.